Welcome. In this episode, we will be doing assembly SA204 of one of the steering rods for the front steering for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be doing assembly SA204 of one of the steering arms. So let's get assembling. So let's open up the assembly MMGS. View, hide, show origins. We want the track rod. Now we want to go turn that back off, which is an easy shortcut on that one. We want that one. Want two of them. There we go. Okay, so these are going to be this face and that. Actually, before we do, let's put in, because these got me even up. So let's go to mate. We want the outside circle. No, that's not the outside circle. That's terrible outside circle. Can't change once it's selected. Clear that one. Does that work? It does. The thing is, I will need that. Okay, let's not do that way. Let's not do that way. Oh, it's not a good one. That was not a good idea. Let me delete that one. Yep. Pull that one out. Oh, thank you. Actually, now I've got them round. Let's put this side. Oh, sorry, mate. This side and this side is going to be parallel. Yep, I think that'll work. This, no face, got it, was each, and that's going to be parallel. Oh, it's actually working. Okay, that's cool. So that one, that one, that one. Hold on, wouldn't that one be over there? Okay, so now, oh, one's not parallel. Parallel. Sorry, coincident. My fault. That's better. That'd be coincident. Sorry, my fault. Wouldn't that be coincident? Yep, there we go. So if we move that around, there we go. That's perfect. Now, but one can go up above the other, so change that one. Yeah, I was thinking parallel wrong. Coincident. There we go. That's what we wanted. That was my mistake. Yeah, that's it. It's good to make mistakes so you can see what different things do. There we go. That's what we wanted. Now, from that circle, it's going to be 0.24.5. Can we do that? Mate. 424.5. Going to be that circle to that circle. Oh, missed. Why won't let me do that? Interesting, okay. Do that one. Let's see now. It seems to be harder than it should be. Now, can I get a full circle there? Actually, we do that edge. With that edge. That's circumference. Okay. So I've got this circle there. Ah, hang on, mate. Let me try that. There we go. If you go into hidden line visible, makes it a lot easier. Yeah, that one. So we now if that's pointing up that way, I'll rotate. Oh, wrong one. Oh, if I rotate that, it rotates around. Good, 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 good. Okay, so if we go to that's not what I want. That's what I want. Back to that one. So if we go to let me just actually do a mate. Let me do a distance of 1 millimeter from that side to that side. There you go. We always adjust that later on. So there you go. So that is that piece done. So that's section. That is assembly SA204 done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon for the front steering. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.